मोड। मोड का मतलब है एक ऐसा नंबर जो सबसे ज्यादा रिपीट होता है। इट इज a number which gets repeated maximum number of times. तो एक ऐसा ऑब्जर्वेशन जो सबसे ज्यादा आएगा उसी को हम मोड कहेंगे। Now, how to calculate mode? So there are different types of series. So first of all, we will find mode in individual series. Mode in individual series. Now, which is individual series? We had discussed in the previous session that a series which contains only variable and there is no frequency attached, that is known as individual series. So let's take one question based on this. Like this is 10, 12, 20, 25, 10, 30, and then 40. So this is the given series. Now, as per the given series, we can see that number 10 is getting repeated 2 times and all other numbers are coming only once. That means mode is equal to 10. So 10 becomes the mode. And this mode is denoted by the symbol Z. Mode is denoted by Z. So this becomes the mode. Now let's say if we add one more number to this series, let's say 20. Now number 10 is repeated twice and number 20 is also repeated twice, whereas all other digits are coming only once. So that means there are two modes now, 10 as well as 20. So whenever we see that highest number of repetitions are there, that number is regarded as mode. Okay. Great. So now let us have some more questions. Now this time the number is 10, 15, 18, 18, 15, 10, 15, 18, 10. So these are the numbers. Now what is mode? Now we can see that number 15 is coming 3 times, 18 is coming 3 times, and 10 is also coming 3 times. All numbers are getting repeated 3 times. There is no highest repetition. ऐसा कोई भी नंबर नहीं है जिसका repetition सबसे ज्यादा हो. So that is why we can say that there is no mode in this given series. Because mode होने के लिए necessary condition क्या है? That frequency should be highest. या कोई भी number सबसे ज्यादा repeat होगा, that will be regarded as mode. But there is no maximum repetition. That is why there is no mode in this case. All right. Now, what is the application of mode? Where mode is practically used. So mode is basically practically used in manufacturing industries, or where we have to, like compute the things. For example, if we are manufacturing shoes, so shoes is having different sizes, size number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, can we make all sizes in equal quantity? Can we make all sizes in equal quantity? Let's say we are manufacturing 100 units of size 6. Then can we manufacture all sizes in like 100 units? No. Why so? Because demand for lower and higher numbers will be very less. If we talk about number 11, so very few people might be there who wear number 11. Let's say 2 people are there. 5 persons are having number 10. Then 60 people are having number 60, number 9. Then 200 people are wearing size 8. 120 people are wearing size number 7. So in such a cases, we can find that where is the highest demand. If we see that like 200 is the highest demand at size number 8. 200 is the highest demand at size number 8. This means that this 8 is more. This 8 is regarded as more. Okay. All right. Perfect. Great, everybody. So, whenever we are talking about discrete series, so this was the example of discrete series. Let's take one more example. In discrete series, there will be x as well as f. Now, let's say we are having different numbers in discrete series 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Frequency is 40, 80, 150, 60, and then 10. Now we have to find where is the highest frequency. The highest frequency is 150, which is coming in front of 15. Therefore, 15 is regarded as mode. So mode is equal to 15. All right. Now, so we are having Radhika, Nikita, Vaishnavi, Soumya Rajan, Sri Farhan, Aditi, Jagmeet Singh, Ayushi Bothra, Swati Giri, and Manish Jain. Okay. So till here, if there is any doubt, let me know in the comment section so that I can see whether you are listening properly or not. Okay, Vipul Kumar says all clear. Aryan Kumar says all clear. Great. Perfect. So this was discrete series. Now comes continuous series. Continuous series. So in case of continuous series, we know that there will be class interval. There will be class interval. So we can write 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and then 40 to 50. Okay. Then frequency is also there. Frequency is 10, 20, 50, then 15, and then 5. So this is continuous series. Now, what is the first step here? Now see that where is the highest frequency. So clearly, highest frequency is 15. And this is lying in the class interval of 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 is the class interval. So now we cannot say that mode lie between 20 and 30 and this is the answer. So this cannot be the final answer. We know that our answer will lie between 20 and 30. But what is the exact value? What is the exact value that we have to find out, that we have to calculate? So let's calculate that. So for the calculation of mode, we have to use a formula here. So what is the formula? L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by I. Now this becomes our formula. Now what is L here? L is the lower limit. So in this question, L becomes 20. What is I? I is the class interval, and the class interval is the gap, that is 30 minus 20. It becomes 10. Then the frequency coming in this class interval is written as F1. This is F1. Then the frequency just above this is known as F0. And the frequency just below is known as F2. Okay. Then it is known as F2. Now we have to put the values in this question and solve. So Z is equal to lower limit is 20 plus F1. F1 is 50 minus F0 is 20 upon 2 times of 50 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by I. Now what is I? I here is 10. So it becomes 20 plus 30 into 10 upon 100 minus 20 minus 15. So it becomes 65. Now you can simplify and get the result. So Shreya says all clear. Samina says clear. Aditi, no doubts. Richa says no doubt. Aisha says mode is regarded to highest frequency. Right, Aisha? Richa is clear. Aditi, can mode be negative? See, it depends on the class interval. So, but whenever we are talking about some sizes, manufacturing things, so most of the cases it is not negative. But if we talk about the negative class interval, then it will be negative. Otherwise, in most of the cases, you see that it is positive. So Manish Jain has given the answer 24.62. Badekar has also given the answer 24.61. Yes. So the final answer is 24.61 or 62. So this is your mode. So in this way, easily we can compute mode. Alright. So now let's take some more. Okay, now try this one. This is the example computation of mode. Now, in this class interval, the 350 to 369 is given, then 370 to 389. So this kind of class interval is there. Now, first of all, we can observe that the class interval is breaking in between. Like after 369, it is 370. Then after 389, it is 390. So it is not continuous. This kind of series, this kind of class interval is known as inclusive class interval or inclusive series. Now, whenever inclusive series is there, we have to convert it into exclusive. But in our case, we are having MCQ pattern, so no need to convert the whole series. Only we will convert the relevant class interval. No need to convert the whole series. We will only convert the relevant class interval. Okay. So first of all, we have to observe where is the highest frequency. So in this table, we know that 82 is the highest frequency. Okay. So now, as per our notation, what we can write 82 is F1, then 58 is F0, and 65 is F2. These three are the frequencies. These three are the frequencies. Now we can see that which is the class interval. So 410 to 429 is the class interval. And from this class interval, we can extract the lower limit. But the lower limit will not be 410. You have to convert it. So whenever there is lower limit, subtract 0.5 from it. So 410 minus 0.5, we will get 409.5. So lower limit is 409.5. Now what is I here? I will be the difference between them. So I is 20. Now we can apply the formula. So Z is equal to lower limit is 409.5 plus F1 82 minus F0 58 upon 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 and then multiply by I, which is 20. All right. Now we can calculate this and get the result. So 409.5 plus 82 minus 58. What is the result? It is 24. Then multiply by 20 upon 164 minus we are having 123. Now you can simplify this and get the result. Okay, simplify this and get the result. Come on, everybody. I'm waiting for your answer. So Shreya Tiwari has given 421.21. Then Manish Jain has also given the answer. Aryan Kumar has also given the answer. Great. So I think mode is clear now. Great. So this was all about mode. Now comes there a relationship between mean, median, and mode. So many times question comes on this relationship. So this relationship is about mean, median, and then mode. So what is the relationship? It says mean minus mode is equal to 3 times of mean minus median. If we use the symbols, then we can write it as x bar minus z is equal to 3 multiplied by x bar minus m. X bar minus z is equal to 3 into x bar minus m. This is the relationship. If we simplify this, then we can form one more relationship, that is z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. Mode is equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. This will become mode. Yes, so most of you have given the answers. Tamanna, Vipul, Vaishnavi, Nirudi, Natasha Chopra, Vadekar Baba Sahib, Samina, then Alpitangal, Vipul, Richa, Mahavir. Great. Okay, all perfect. Now, so these are the relationships. Now, let's say if we are given in the question like mean is 20 and median is equal to 18. Now we have to find out mode. Then how do we calculate mode here? So we can apply these values in the given formula. So z is equal to 3 into 18 minus 2 into 20. So it will become 54 minus 40. That is 14. So mode will be 14 now. All right. So in this way, we can easily calculate. Okay. So there is one more relationship which we had done in the previous session also. That says that we can write a statement mean, median, and mode. Mean, median, and mode satisfy linear relationship between two variables. Mean, median, and mode satisfy linear relationship between two variables. Now, what does this mean? So let's say there is one equation given y is equal to a plus bx. Y is equal to a plus bx. Now we know that mean of x is given, that is x bar is given, and we have to find out y bar. So in such a cases, we can put the value in the equation and get the result. So let's say y is equal to 20 plus 10x. This is given. Now x bar is, let's say, 5, and we have to calculate y bar. So what will be the result? It will be 20 plus 10 multiplied by 5. So y bar will be 70. Y bar will be 70. So this kind of relationship exists for mean, median, as well as mode. So let's say mode for x is given, mode for x is 2. What will be the mode for y? What will be the mode for y? The same thing we have to do, put the values in the given equation and get the result. So y is equal to 20 plus 10 into 2. So it becomes 40. So 40 is the mode of y. It is the mode of y. So in this way, we can easily calculate. Okay, everybody. So now, this relationship we have done. Now it's time to move towards geometric mean. Geometric mean. Now, how do we define geometric mean? Geometric mean is the nth root of product of all observation. It is defined as nth root of product of all observations. So let's say if there are two values, if there are two digits, then geometric mean will be a into b, the two digits, multiply them, and then do the square root. Then geometric mean for three digits, it will be multiply all the digits and then cube root. And then cube root. If there are four digits, multiply all the four digits and then fourth root. So जितने digits है वो root आपको apply करना है. If there are n digits, apply nth root. If there are 10 digits, apply 10th root. Okay. So this is crystal clear. Great. So now we can try some questions here. So let's say the two numbers are there. One is 10 and other is, let's take the number as 2 and 32. Let's take the easy number first. 2 and 32. Now we have to find geometric mean. So for geometric mean, we have to multiply the two digits first. So 2 multiplied by 32. So we have multiplied them. Now find the square root. So it is root of 64. It becomes 8. So 8 is the geometric mean. 8 becomes the geometric mean. Okay. Then one more. Now let's say this time we are having 20 or 25 and 81. These are the two numbers, and then we have to find the geometric mean. So multiply them, 25 into 81 and then square root. So it will become how much? 45. Okay, it will be 45. Then the third one. Now this time we are taking digits as 10, 90 and 30. These are the digits. Now what will be the geometric mean? Let me know. What will be the geometric mean of these three numbers? Let me know. 10, 90, 30. These are the three digits, and you have to find out the geometric mean. So let's see who all are giving the answer. Manish has given 30 as the answer. Manish is giving 30. Anyone else who can try this and let me know the answer? So this time there are three digits. So we have to multiply them and find the cubic root. So this time you have to do cube root. So cube root means you can form the pair of 3, 10, 90 we can write 3 into 3 into 10, and 30 we can write 3 into 10. Now form the pair of 3 because it is cubic root. So pair of 3, 10 one time, 2 time and 3 time. So 10 is coming 3 time. We can take 10 outside, multiply by. Now 3 is also coming 3 times. So we can take it outside. So 10 into 3, 30 is the correct answer. 30 is the perfect answer. Okay. So Richa Kumari has given the answer. Lisa has given 3, but 3 is incorrect. 30 is correct. Akshata has given Sarthak Mohanty, Sabina, Aisha Sood, Vipul Kumar, Swati Giri, great, Suchiang, Arpisha, Richa, Narendra Sonani, then Tansim Tiwari, Radheshyam, that is Tisha is also there, Aditi Salvi, Gaurav Beswal, great. So everybody has given the answer. Majority of the people has given the correct answer, but those who have used square root by mistake have to be careful in next coming questions. Okay, so since there are three figures, you have to perform cubic root instead of square root. Now, how to do the nth root and cubic root on calculator, we have done many times in our math session. So you can follow that trick and then you can calculate cubic root on your calculator as well. Okay. So now let me take one more question. This time the values are -5, -25, then -125, and then -625. So these are the digits. Now this time you have to find out geometric mean. So what will be the correct answer? Let me know. Four digits are there. All the digits are negative, and you have to find out the correct result. All the numbers are negative. So how do we calculate the geometric mean for negative number? So the process is still same. Multiply all the four digits. So -5, then multiply by -25, multiply by -125, and then -625. Then you have to perform fourth root. Now, how to do fourth root on your calculator? So whenever it is fourth root, multiply all of them and then press root button two times. Press square root button two times, it becomes fourth root. Why so? Because fourth root means power is 1 by 4, and 1 by 4 can be broken as 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. And we have done in law of indices also, 1 by 2 means square root. Other 1 by 2 also means square root. So there are two square roots. So the best way to solve is multiply all the numbers, then press root button two times, it becomes fourth root. Okay. So now, what is the final answer? Manish has given 55.9. Barker Baba Sahib has also given 55.9. Samina Sheikh is given 56.23. Okay. So multiply them and then 2 times square root. So 55.9 is correct or not? Will the answer negative or positive? Will the answer be negative or positive? So correct will be negative. Correct result will be negative. Now, there might be some confusion to few of the students. Yes, majority have given 55.9 positive answer, but correct answer is negative. Now, why the correct answer is negative and why positive is wrong? So understand. Now, let's say all these are the losses of a company. The company is running for past 4 years. First year is having a loss of 5,000, then 25,000, then 125,000 and 625,000. All these are the losses of last 4 years. That is why the figures are negative. Now you are supposed to calculate the average. You are supposed to calculate the average. Now, can you say that the average of the company is positive 55.9? That means the average is a profit. Can you claim this? No, because the company is having consistent losses of last 4 years. And if you are finding the average, how it can become positive, how it will become profitable. So that is why we can say that positive answer will be incorrect and negative result will be correct. So in short, you can draw a conclusion from here. If all observations are negative, then geometric mean will be negative. And if all observations are positive, then geometric mean will be positive. Okay. Now, mathematically, you will find that there are four negative signs, so it will become positive. But here it is not the case. You have to apply this property as well. Okay. So always don't go mathematically. We have to go logically as well. So that's why geometric mean will be negative in this case. All right. Now there is one doubt from Mr. Naveen Kushwaha. He is asking how to calculate this on the calculator. See, since there are 4 digits, multiply all the 4 digits, then press square root button 2 times. Okay, you will get this answer. All right. Yes, I was waiting for one question, and Aditi has asked that question. Yes. So what Aditi is asking, what about mixed sign? If some values are negative and some values are positive, then what will be the result? So in such cases, geometric mean cannot be calculated. So there is a one condition for calculation of geometric mean, that all sign must be same. All must be positive or all must be negative. Okay, so sign must remain same. If there are mix of signs, then geometric mean cannot be used. Okay, so such two situations are there. This is the first condition. Second, there is one more condition. Let's say if any of the observation becomes zero, if any one observation becomes zero, then what will happen? Like 10, 20, and third number is zero. Now, what will happen this time? Now, since we have to multiply all the digits, so the product will become zero. The product will become zero. So that is why whenever any digit is zero, we cannot compute geometric mean. So geometric mean cannot be computed in such cases. Okay, so we will not write answer 0. If you are writing geometric mean is 0, then it is absolutely wrong. Geometric mean is not 0. It cannot be determined. What we have to select? It cannot be determined. We cannot calculate geometric mean. When we cannot calculate, if any of the observation becomes 0, then geometric mean cannot be computed. And second condition was all the sign must remain same, all positive or all negative. Perfect. So this we have done. Now there is one property of geometric mean. Let's understand that also. Now the property says, if let's say geometric mean of x is 10 and geometric mean of series y is 20, and now we have to find geometric mean of series xy. Geometric mean of series xy. And how to find geometric mean of series x? Multiply by geometric mean of series y. Simply multiply both of them, you will get the result. Geometric mean of xy is equal to geometric mean of x into geometric mean of y. So we can put the values here. It becomes 10 multiplied by 20, that is 200. So 200 will be your answer. So this is a property. So don't try to do the square root here. You don't have to perform square root. Just multiply them and you will get the result. Okay. So you don't have to do square root. So geometric mean of series x, geometric mean of series y is given, and you have to find geometric mean of series xy. Simply multiply them, you will get your answer. And if you have to calculate geometric mean of x upon y, then what you have to do? Geometric mean of x divided by geometric mean of y. Perform this division. So what is geometric mean of x? It is 10, and for y it is 20. So it becomes 1 upon 2, half. Okay, so this property is applicable only for geometric mean and not for others. Okay, so Gaurav Beswal is asking this point only, whether this is applicable to other places also. No, this property is exclusive for geometric mean. Manishan says there is no square root. Yes, there will be no square root. Why so? I can prove that also. So let's take some proof here. So what I have told you, that geometric mean of series x is given as 10. So let's take a series s. First number is 2 and second number is 50. So there are two observations in series x. Okay, such that their geometric mean is 10. So you can multiply 2 and 50, and their product is 100. So as soon as you find the geometric mean, it becomes 10. Similarly, there is another series y, and we can take the figures, let's say 200 and then 2. So product becomes 400 and its geometric mean becomes 20. So these are two series x and series y. First series is having geometric mean 10. Second series is having geometric mean 20. Now we have to find geometric mean of series xy. So find xy first. It is 400 and 100. 400 and 100. So what will be the the product now? The product will be 40,000, and if you find the geometric mean, that is square root of 40,000, it becomes 200. It becomes 200. So we can directly do this. So 10 multiplied by 20 is also 200. So this is the shortcut method. All right. So in this way, we can easily calculate our geometric mean. So Narendra says your teaching is wonderful. Thanks, Narendra. So this is the geometric mean, the properties of geometric mean we have done, and let's take the question based on this. Example number 14.1.13, 13th example. This time we have to find geometric mean of these 3 digits. So 3 digits are there and we have to calculate geometric mean. So whenever 3 digits are there, then what we have to do, multiply all the 3 and then perform cubic root. So let's do this. root of 3 into 6 into 12. Now, first we can factorize and try whether we are getting the result or not. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 and 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Now, for the cubic root, we have to make pair of 3. So this 3, 3 and 3. 3 is coming thrice and 2 is coming thrice. That means we are getting the pair. So the result will be 3 into 2, that is 6. So 6 becomes the geometric mean. So our answer is 6. All right. Now, 14th one. Let's solve this 14th one also. Find out the geometric mean of the following distribution. Now, x and f both are given. Now, x 2 is there and its frequency is 2. It means that number 2 is getting repeated twice. Number 4 is getting repeated thrice. 8 is getting repeated thrice. And 16 is getting repeated twice. So how many total digits are there? So if we add the frequency, the total number of digits are 10. The frequency is 10. Now, how to solve? Again, multiply all the numbers and then apply nth root. Now, 10 observations are there, so we have to apply 10th root. So we can write this. 2 is coming twice, 4 is coming thrice, 8 is coming thrice, 16 is coming twice. Now, overall 10 numbers are there, so we can write 10th root. Now, since all can be converted into a 2 to the power of something, so let's convert this. So 2 to the power of 2 is already there. 4 can be written as 2 square. So 2 square and then whole cube. Then 8 can be written as 2 cube, then whole cube. 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 and then whole square. And 10th root can be written as power 1 by 10. Power 1 by 10. Now, whenever bases are same, we can add the power. So base is 2, power is 2 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 and then divided by 10. So 25 by 10. 25 by 10. So 2 to the power of 2.5. Now 2.5 can be split as 2 and 0.5. So we can write 2 to the power of 2 and then 2 to the power of half. So it becomes 4 root 2. 4 root 2. Now if we want, we can convert it into decimal also. Okay. So now this was overall geometric mean. Now next, what we have to do, the next thing is harmonic mean. Harmonic mean. How to calculate the harmonic mean? Let us understand this. So there is one magic here. If we know the formula for arithmetic mean, we can form the formula for harmonic mean very easily. Now, how to do that? So we can write the arithmetic mean first. Arithmetic mean is sigma x upon n. This was the basic formula for arithmetic mean. Now, if we do the reciprocal 2 times, we will get harmonic mean. Okay. If we perform reciprocal 2 times, we will get harmonic mean. Now, can it happen or not? क्या ऐसा हो सकता है? अगर मैं 2 बार रेसिप्रोकल कर दूं अर्थमेटिक मीन का, तो क्या मुझे हार्मोनिक मीन मिलेगा? So let's try. Now this time I am doing first time reciprocal, that is n upon sigma x. N upon sigma x. What is this? This is nothing. This is neither arithmetic mean nor harmonic mean, because I have done reciprocal for the first time. Now one more time we need to reciprocal, but this time we have to do reciprocal of x only. Second time we have to do reciprocal of x only. So we can write n upon sigma 1 by x. Sigma 1 by x. So this becomes the formula for harmonic mean. This becomes the formula for harmonic mean. That is n upon sigma 1 by x. Now, this formula can be written in many different ways. At some places, you will find that the formula for HM will be sigma 1 by x upon n bracket, and outside R is written or REC, reciprocal is written. That means you have to do the reciprocal of this bracket. So in this way also the formula can be written. Reciprocal of sigma 1 by x upon n. So this becomes the formula for harmonic mean. All right. So always remember, arithmetic mean को 2 times reciprocal करेंगे, you will get harmonic mean. But first time पूरे formula का reciprocal and second time reciprocal of only x. Now, how to solve the question based on this? Okay. Okay, before that, let me take one simple example. Let me ask you a basic question. Let's say a person is traveling from Jodhpur to Pali, and then comes back. The person goes with a speed of 40 km per hour and comes back with a speed of 60 km per hour. Then what will be the average speed? What will be the average speed? So you have to compute average speed. So how can we calculate this? Person is traveling from Jodhpur to Pali and then coming back. So going at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour and coming with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. So what will be the average speed? Any answer? Let me know. I'm waiting, guys. It's very easy. Going with a speed of 40, coming with a speed of 60. So what will be the average? Manish is giving 48.99, that is 49. Shreya Tiwari is giving 50 kilometers per hour. Akshata is saying 50 kilometers per hour. Okay, anyone else who want to attempt this question? See, going with the speed of 40, coming back with the speed of 60. Then Shreya has given, Lisa is also saying 50, Aditi 50, Aisha 50, Arpisha 50, Gaurav Beswal 50, Nirudi 50, Surya 50. Okay, so majority of people are saying 50. Manish was saying 49. But what is the correct answer? So you will be surprised to know that 50 is the wrong answer. 50 is the wrong answer. Still, majority of you have given the answer 50. Narendra has given Vaishnavi, Richa, Iram said, Tina, Mehak. Yes. Punjabi Asif. So 50 is incorrect. Why so? Let's prove this. Now let's say the distance between the two places is 120 kilometers. 120 kilometers is the distance, and how much time it will take to reach Pali from Jodhpur to Pali. So we know that there is one simple formula of distance, speed, and time. So speed, or we can say time, is equal to distance upon speed. So how much time it will take to reach Pali? 120 upon 40, that is 3 hours. So 3 hours it will take to reach Pali. Okay, and how much time it will take to come back? So 120 upon 60, that is 2 hours. So overall 2 hours it will take. So in total the whole journey will be completed in 5 hours, going 3 hours, coming back in 2 hours. So in total 5 hours of journey is there. In total, what is the distance traveled? 120 is going and 120 is coming. So total distance covered will be 240. Total time taken is 5 hours. Now distance upon time will give us the average speed. Distance upon time will give us the average speed. So average speed will be 48 kilometers per hour. Yes, 48 kilometer per hour will be the correct answer. So Swati Giri has given the answer 48, right? Now, we don't have to follow this method, but we have to follow harmonic mean. So what all of you have done arithmetic mean. 40 plus 60 upon 2 gives 50, but this answer is incorrect. So whenever we have to calculate average speed, arithmetic mean will give the wrong answer. You have to follow harmonic mean. Now we can calculate the same question with harmonic mean and get the result. So for harmonic mean, these two figures are given. One is 40 and second one is 60. And we have to find HM of these two. So what is the first step? The first step is as per formula. The formula was N upon sigma 1 by X. So first of all, we have to do 1 upon X. That is 1 by 40 and 1 by 60. Now add them. So what will be the total? The total will be 1 by 40 plus 1 by 60. So what will be the LCM? LCM will be 120. Then 3 plus 2, that is 5 upon 120. This is sigma 1 by X. Now substitute the values. So 2 upon 5 by 120. So let's calculate this. 2 into 120 upon 5. So the correct answer is how much? It is 48 kilometers per hour. So using harmonic mean, you can calculate the correct answer. Okay. So 48 kilometer per hour is the correct answer. So whenever we have to find average speed, always use harmonic mean. Okay. Now, how to calculate all these on calculator? So there is calculator trick as well. So we will try to do all these on our calculator in one shot. So before that, let's take a break of 5 minutes, and after that, we will understand how to solve this on the calculator. Okay. So let's have a break of 5 minutes, and then we will be continuing with the tricks. Okay. So welcome back guys. Now it's time to follow the trick. So how to calculate harmonic mean using our calculator. So again take the same example. X is given to us. X is how much? 40 and then 60. Now we are using the calculator. So take calculator in your hands. Now see that there should not be M sign on the screen. स्क्रीन पे M का सिंबल नहीं होना चाहिए. M denotes memory. अगर पहले से कुछ मेमोरी में पड़ा है, erase that thing. So screen should not have M symbol. If M symbol is there, you can press MRC button 2 times. M will get removed, memory will get erased. Okay. So there should not be M on the screen. Now on calculator, what you have to do? First type 1, then divided by 40 equal to M plus. Okay. Only press all those buttons which I am writing here. 1 divide 40 equal to M plus. Then write 1 divided by 60 equal to M plus. Then write 2 divided by MRC equal to. So at last what we have done, 2 divide MRC equal to. After pressing equal to, you will get the result on your screen. So let me know the answer, what you are getting on your screen. Only press this much button only, answer will be on your screen. So come on everybody, try this and let me know what you are getting the result. 2 divide MRC equal to, yes. So Gaurav Beswal has given 48, Aryan 48, Ashutosh 48, Priyanka, Samina, everyone is now getting 48. Yes. So this much is, it's very easy to calculate HM on this calculator. Okay. Now let's take one more question. This time you are having 2, 4, 5 and 10. These 4 figures are there. So first what we have to do, reciprocal. So for reciprocal we are doing 1 divide 2 equal to M plus. So whatever is the result of reciprocal, we are adding it into memory, M plus button. Then 1 divided by 4 equal to M plus. 1 divided by 5 equal to M plus. And then 1 divided by 10 equal to M plus. So first of all, reciprocal of all and then saved into memory. At last, apply the formula. So 4 divided by MRC and then press equal to sign. So after pressing equal to sign, you will get the result on your screen. Why 4? Because there are 4 digits here. 4 digits are there. That is why we have written 4. So 4 divided MRC equal to, the answer will be on your screen. So let's see who is getting the answer. Aditi says, amazing trick. So let's wait for everybody to answer this question. So if 3 numbers are there, you have to do 3 divide MRC. 4 numbers are there, then 4 divided by MRC. Don't forget to press equal to at last. So the answer which you guys are giving is 3.6. Ayushi has given, Aditi 3.809, Samina 3.809, Mahabir 3.80. So majority of you are giving 3.809. That is 3.81. 3.81 is the answer. And all those who are not getting this answer, they have to be careful while calculating, and also every time check that your screen must not have M symbol. Otherwise, if old memory is there in your calculator, then you will get the wrong answer. So always try to erase old memories. Okay. So never forget to erase old memories. After that, you have to insert the new figures. Yeah, so everybody is now giving the same answer, that is 3.809. It's correct. So this was harmonic mean in individual series. Now, if you have to compute harmonic mean in discrete and continuous series, harmonic mean in discrete and continuous series, then how to calculate? So for discrete and continuous series, the formula will get changed a bit. We have to introduce frequency in between. So it will be Hm is equal to sigma f divided by sigma f upon x. This will become the formula. Sigma f divided by sigma f by x for discrete as well as continuous. So let's have some example. X and f is given. X is, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And value is 4. And then we can take 10, then 9. We can write 12 and then 5. This is the frequency. Now, after this, what is the next step? Next is f upon x. Calculate f divided by x. So 4 upon 1 is 4. 10 by 2 is 5. 9 by 3 is 3. 12 by 4 is 3. And 5 by 5 is 1. So this is f by x. Now we can do the total and get the result. So how much is the total? Total is 16. And what is the total of f? Frequency is 14 plus 9, 23 plus 12, 35 and then 5, 40. So total is 40. So 40 divided by 16. 40 divided by 16. So how much we are getting? 2.5. So 2.5 becomes the harmonic mean. So this is harmonic mean in discrete and continuous series. So first you have to find out f upon x and then apply the formula. So Sarthak Mohanty has given the answer. Lisa, Manish Jain, Aditi Salvi, great. Good going, everybody. So easily now you can calculate harmonic mean. So Shreya, Ashutosh, Pani, nice. First point, relation between arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. So AM, GM and HM. This is the relationship. Now, first you have to write when all observations are same. When all observations are same, then what will be AM, GM and HM? So when all observations are same, then we can say that arithmetic mean is equal to geometric mean is equal to harmonic mean. So all these three will be equal. AM equal to GM is equal to HM. And second, when observations are distinct, when observations are distinct, then what we have to do? If observations are distinct, then we can say that AM will be greater than GM will be greater than HM. This will become the relationship. So AM will be greater than geometric mean, greater than harmonic mean. So this is the case when all observations are distinct. All right. So let's take one simple example. Let's say if there are two observations, 10 and 10. So what will be arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean will be 10. Geometric mean, that will also be 10. And harmonic mean will also be 10. So all these three will be equal, that is 10. All right. Now, secondly, if we take other numbers, let's say if we are having 2 and 18, 2 and 18 are the numbers, then what will be arithmetic mean? So arithmetic mean will be 2 plus 18 by 2. So 10 will be the arithmetic mean. What will be the geometric mean? Root of both the numbers. So 2 multiply 18 and then square root. It will become 6. And then harmonic mean. Harmonic mean. Now, in case of two observations, we can apply a shortcut formula also. We can apply a shortcut formula. What is that shortcut formula? 2ab upon a plus b. 2ab upon a plus b. So what is a here? 2. What is b? 18. And then a plus b. It becomes 20. Now 18 into 4 is how much? 72 divided by 20. So we are getting 3.6. So from here we can easily conclude that AM is highest, then comes GM, and at last it will be HM. So AM greater than GM greater than HM. So this is the final relationship. Okay. Now, sometimes theoretical questions come on this pattern. Now, what can be the theoretical question? The question will say that if question says only what is the relationship between these three, then we have to select AM greater than equal to GM greater than equal to HM. Because if question is silent, like observations are equal or distinct, then this will be correct. If it says all observations are equal, then first point will be correct. If all observations are distinct, then second will be correct. And if nothing is mentioned, then we have to select the third one, that is greater than as well as equal to. All right. So this is the final relationship. Now you can do this question. Example number 17. There are 4 numbers and you have to compute AM, GM, and then HM. So I think you can do this very easily. The first step is arithmetic mean. Add all the numbers, divided by 4, you will get arithmetic mean. Then geometric mean, multiply all the numbers and then 4th root, you will get GM. And then HM, we have done the shortcut on the calculator. So apply the calculator trick, you will get harmonic mean. So in this way, you can check all these relationships. Then Gaurav as well is asking, can this shortcut formula for HM can be used for 3 digits? No. This formula is purely for 2 digits. It is not for 3 digits. So it is applicable only for 2 digits. So 2ab upon a plus b. Okay. Now let me take the next question. Yes, this one, 20. 14.1.20. The AM and GM for the 2 observations are 5 and 4 respectively. So this time question has given arithmetic mean as 5, geometric mean is 4. So these two are given. and we have to find the two observations. Like for which observations we are having AMS 5 and GMS 4. So let's say A and B are the two observations, and we have to find out the values of A and B. So this is the given case. So now how to find, if you form the equation, like if you apply the formula for AM, it will be A plus B upon 2 equal to 5. So it will give A plus B equal to 10. Second will be geometric mean. So root of AB is equal to 4. This will give you AB is equal to 16. So these are the two equations now. Now always it is better to solve using options, because if you try to solve the equations, it will become lengthy. So the best way to solve such question is using options. So let me write some of the options and then you can try which one is correct. So 4 and 6 is the first option, 2 and 8 is the third option, then 5 and 5, and then last one is none of these. So the option will satisfy both the condition will give us the correct result. If you try the first one, the first one is 4 plus 6 equal to 10. First condition is satisfied. But what about second condition? 4 multiplied by 6 is 24 and here it is 16. The second condition is not satisfied. So option A will be incorrect. B. Option B you can check again. 2 plus 8 is 10, verified. 2 into 8 is 16. 16 is also verified. So option number B is satisfying both the conditions. Therefore, B is correct answer. Okay. Yes. So Shreya has given the answer. Neetu has given the answer. Aditi, Manish, Mahavir, and Aryan. Great. So this was the correct result. Now let's solve which one? 22nd. 22nd, let's see this. How to solve such questions. Following are the salaries of 20 workers. So data for 20 workers is given, expressed in thousand of rupees. So these are the salary of 20 workers, like 5,000, 17,000, and so on. The firm gave bonus amounting to rupees 2,000, 3,000. So this is the bonus which firm is giving. How much is the bonus? 2,000, then 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. These are the 5 categories. Now, this category is based on the class interval. Like those persons who are ranging from 1 to 5,000 will get a bonus of 2,000. So let's write the class interval also here. So we can shift this a bit. So here we can write class interval. The class interval, first one is 1,000 to 5,000. Second one is from 6,000 to 10,000. Then comes 11,000 to 15,000. Then 16 to 20,000. And then 21 to 25,000. So these are the class intervals. Now we have to find average bonus paid per employee. So average bonus. So first of all, we have to see employees are falling in which category. So if somebody is having a salary of 5,000, like first person, you have to mark a tally in front of 1 to 5,000. He is falling in this class interval. The second person is having 17,000. So mark again 5,000. Then 12, between 11 to 15. Then for 23, 21 to 25. Then mark 7. Then 15. Then 4. 18, and then 10, 6, then 15, then 9, 8, 13. So this is 8, then 13, then 12. 12 you can mark here in cross. Then 2 is there. After 2 again there is 12, then 3, 15, and then 14. So in this way you can mark the tally and count the frequency. Now we can easily count the frequency. So in this way we have done. So these are the class 12, these are the tally marks, and now you can count. So 4, 5, 8, 2, and 1. So total of the frequency is 20. Now accordingly we have given the bonus to them. Now find the simple average. How to find the simple average? Sigma fx upon sigma f. So what is sigma fx? It is 71,000 divided by the total of frequency is 20 because there are 20 workers. Now we can divide and find out the average. So 3,550 becomes the average bonus per employee. Okay. So this we have done. So any doubts still here, you can comment in the box. We can discuss your doubts. After that, we will move towards the exercise questions. Okay. So any doubt till here, let's discuss those doubts first. After that, we will be moving towards the exercise questions. So one more thing, we have to always, we must always have the idea about the application, like where all these concepts are applied. So let's summarize that also, which formula is used at what place. Navin Kushwa is asking to repeat this bonus question once again. Okay, no need to worry. See, according to the question, there are 20 workers in a place, in an organization, and they are having different salaries. Now it's time to give bonus to them, but bonus is given as per their class interval. If anybody is earning between 1 to 5,000, he will get a bonus of 2,000. If he is earning between 6 to 10,000, he will get a bonus of 3,000 and so on. So this is the case. Now, since all those 20 data are given, so we have to mark them like which person is coming in which class interval. So we have marked all these tally. Why we are marking the tally? To calculate the frequency. So in this way, we have computed the frequency. So 20 persons are distributed according to the assigned class interval. Now, after this, we have to find out the average. So bonus is given, this is X. Frequency we have computed, this is F. Now we can multiply both of them to find Fx. The Fx is how much? 71,000 divided by number of workers, which are 20, and we get the answer. Okay. So Swati says all crystal clear. Great. So now let's summarize where all these things are applied. So we have done mean. Now mean was segregated into 3 parts: arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. Then we have done positional values. Positional values we have done median, quartiles, and many more. And after that we have done mode also. So these were the different averages which we have covered. Now, where is harmonic mean used? We have done just now. Harmonic mean is used to calculate average speed. So whenever we have to find out average speed, we use harmonic mean. And this can also be used for computing weighted average. It can also be used for computing weighted average. Then what is the use of geometric mean? When geometric mean is used, so whenever we have to find rate of change, whenever we have to find rate of change, then we use geometric mean. Or we say that we require percentage change, like rate of growth, rate of depreciation, rate of unemployment. So whenever such percentages or rates are given and we have to find out the average of rates, then we use geometric mean. Okay, so in all such cases, geometric mean is used. Then arithmetic mean. In majority of cases, in most of the cases, arithmetic mean is used. So when other method cannot be used, always arithmetic mean will be used. So in majority of cases, in practical life, arithmetic mean is only used. Then what about positional values like median? So median is computed in those cases where we have to focus on the ranking about the position, where when we have to arrange some of those persons, then we use median, that is positional average. Otherwise, median is less frequently used. And mode is the highest repetitive value. So it is mainly used in manufacturing industries. So where we manufacture goods of different sizes, then for what size we have to like produce the maximum number of units. किस साइज की हम मैक्सिमम यूनिट्स बनाएं जिससे हमारा प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी ज्यादा हो, जिससे हम ज्यादा डिमांड को फुलफिल कर सके. So mode is especially used in manufacturing industries. Okay, or even in some areas of science like zoology, then there also mode is used. So all these are the applications of averages. Okay, one more thing which we have to cover here is combined harmonic mean. So we can write here combined harmonic mean. So it is similar to what we have done combined arithmetic mean. So here we will find combined harmonic mean. So for this combined harmonic mean, what we require, like there are two groups, first group and second group. First group will have number of observations n1 and harmonic mean hm1. Second group will have n2 as number of observations. hm2 will be harmonic mean of second group. These data will be given. Then we have to combine this data to form hm12. So it will be n1 plus n2 divided by n1 upon hm1 plus n2 upon hm2. So this is the formula. n1 plus n2 divided by n1 upon hm1 plus n2 upon hm2. Now let's apply this in a question. So we are having 10 and 50. This is the first figure. Then we can write the second also. Let's take another one. 15 and 75. So these are the data given. Now 10 plus 15 divided by 10 upon 50 plus 15 upon 75. So we are getting 25 upon 2 by 5. 25 upon 2 by 5. So what is the final result? 25 into 5 upon 2. The final answer will be 62.5. 62.5. this is the final harmonic mean, that is combined harmonic mean. Okay. So now all these we have done. So let's take some questions from these. Yes. The third one, we are doing set B, question number 3. What is the model value for the numbers? Model value means mode. So you have to find out the mode from these series. Model value. So see that which number is getting repeated highest number of times. So we can see that only number 10 is getting repeated and no other number is getting repeated. So 10 is the mode. 10 becomes the mode. Then Gaurav Beswal is asking, is there any formula for combined geometric mean? No. Only you have to do combined arithmetic mean and combined harmonic mean. No formula for combined geometric mean. Okay. Then fourth one. In fourth case, you have to calculate geometric mean of these three numbers. Geometric mean of three numbers. So what you have to do, you multiply all the digits and then cubic root. So 8 into 24 into 40 and then cube root. So we can do the factors. 8 can be written as 2 cube. 24 can be written as 2 cube multiplied by 3. And 40 can be written as 2 cube multiplied by 5. Now we can take pair of 3. Now we can take pair of 3 and solve. So 2 cube is the first pair, 2 cube second pair, and 2 cube. So overall 2 cube is common. The answer. This is the geometric mean. Okay. Then Ashutosh is asking third question once more. See, in third question, we have to find mode, and mode means the highest repetitive number. So only number 10 is getting repeated. So 10 is the mode. Okay, Ashutosh. Then question number 5. Harmonic mean for the numbers. So 2, 3, and 5. These are the three numbers, and you have to calculate HM. So you can solve this completely on your calculator. 1 divided by 2 equal to m plus 1 divided by 3 equal to m plus 1 divided by 5 equal to m plus. Okay, so we have done the reciprocal and saved into memory. Then what we have to do, 3 divided by MRC and press equal to. 3 divided by MRC, press equal to, you will get the answer. So let's see what is the answer you are getting for question number 5. Three divided by MRC and then equal to. Yes, so everybody is given 2.9 as the answer. So option number C is correct. 2.9. Then Navin is asking, if one number is repeated twice and another third, then what's more? See, if you say that this is the situation, 10, 10, 20, 20, 20, and this is 18. So number 10 is repeating twice. Number 20 is repeating thrice. So you have to select highest repetition. So highest repetition is 20. So mode will be 20. Mode will be 20. So you have to select on highest repetition. Then sixth one. Question number 6, it's very easy to solve using options. Let's say if arithmetic mean and geometric mean of the two numbers are 6.5 and 6 respectively, then find the two numbers. So in such cases, you can try directly using options. Like if you see the first option, 6 and 7, and find arithmetic mean. So it will be 6 plus 7 upon 2, that is 6.5. So arithmetic mean is getting matched. But if you try for geometric mean, 6 multiplied by 7 and then square root, it is not coming 6. It is not coming 6. So option number A is incorrect. So option must satisfy both arithmetic mean as well as geometric mean. तो अगर आपने arithmetic mean निकाला तो वो match हुआ, but geometric mean निकाला तो वो match नहीं हुआ. That is why option number A is wrong. Then the second one, 9 and 4. So if you try to solve 9 and 4, so 9 plus 4 by 2, it is 6.5. Arithmetic mean getting matched. 9 into 4 is 36 and square root of 36 is 6. So this is also getting verified. Therefore, option B will be correct. Option B is satisfying both of them, arithmetic mean as well as geometric mean. So this B option will be correct. Then the seventh one. If AM and HM for the two numbers are 5 and 3.2 respectively, then geometric mean will be AM and HM is given and you have to find geometric mean. Yes, so there is one relationship between these three. What is that relation? So if geometric mean is, we have to find it out, we can use this formula, arithmetic mean into harmonic mean and then square root. This becomes geometric mean. So square root of AM multiplied by HM. This is geometric mean. So by using this formula, you can calculate GM. So it will be root of 5 into 3.2. So you will get root 16. Root 16 is 4. So option number D. Option number D will be correct. So AM and HM are given, multiply them and then find the square root. So 4 will be correct. Option number D. Then 8, 9, 10th we have done. 12th one, yes. So 12th is combined harmonic mean. So somebody has asked the doubt in this combined harmonic mean. So let's do this question. Sindhu has asked this doubt. So let's solve harmonic mean, combined harmonic mean. The question is giving there are two groups with 75 and 65 as harmonic mean. So 75 and 65, this is HM1 and this is HM2. HM2. Now these are the two numbers, number 1, N1 and then N2. Now we have to find the combined harmonic mean. So for combined harmonic mean, we can apply the formula N1 plus N2 upon N1 upon HM1 plus N2 upon HM2. So now apply the formula 15 plus 13 upon 15 by 75 plus 13 by 65. So apply this, we are getting 28 upon 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So what is the result? 28 upon 2 by 5. You will get final answer as 70. So this is combined harmonic mean HM12. That is 70. Okay. So option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. So then comes 13th. In 13, we have to find out HM, harmonic mean of the given series. Now, this question is a bit tricky but easy. What is the series given? The given series is x1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and so on up to 1 by n. This is the series X. Now, what we have to do for harmonic mean? Now, this cannot be done on calculator. Why so? Because we are having up to n numbers. So we have to do the systematic method. So first of all, find out the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. For 1 by 2, it is 2. For 1 by 3, it is 3. And for 1 by n, it is n. So first step is 1 by x. That is, we are doing the reciprocal of x. Now add all these numbers. So this is 1, 2, 3, and so on up to n. So this is known as n natural numbers. So what is the sum of first n natural numbers? We have to find out the sum of first n natural numbers. So it will be n into n plus 1 divided by 2. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the formula for sum of n natural numbers. Now we have to find HM. So the formula is n upon sigma 1 by x. So number of observations are n here, and the total is n into n plus 1 upon 2. N and n will get cancelled. So result is 2 upon n plus 1. Result is 2 upon n plus 1. So this is the final harmonic mean. Okay. So in this way, you can easily get your result. So this was option number C. Now 14th one. So question number 14 is you have to determine which average is to be applied. So sometimes question will not say you about AM, GM or HM, mean, mode, median. You have to judge which formula should be applied. Okay. So in 14th it says an aeroplane flies from A to B at a speed of 500 kilometers per hour and then comes back from B to A at the rate of 700 kilometers per hour. So this is talking about speed, going at a speed of 500, coming back at a speed of 700, and then you have to find out the average speed. So whenever average speed we have to calculate, always use harmonic mean. So harmonic mean of these two we have to calculate. So simply we can do this on our calculator. So 1 divide 500 equal to m plus. Then 1 divide 700 equal to n plus. Then 2 divide MRC and then press equal to, you will get your result. So the result will be 583.33. So Sindhu has given the answer. Manish has also given the answer. Great. Okay. So in this way, you can easily solve using harmonic mean. Then question number 15 says, if a variable assumes the values from 1 to 5. So variable means what? X. Variable is X. So what are the values of X? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also the frequencies are same 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate arithmetic mean. So simply apply the formula, that is fx 1, 4, 9, 16, and then 25. So what is the total? The total we are getting is 55. What is the total of f? F is 15. Now we can calculate arithmetic mean. It will be sigma fx upon sigma f. So 55 divided by 15, you will get 11 by 3 as the answer. So 11 upon 3, that is option number A, will be correct. Okay. So this was question number 15. So all these are, I think, very, very easy question, and this chapter is very much scoring. So weightage is also very good. Normally up to 7 questions come from this chapter. 5 to 7 questions you can expect from this chapter. Okay, so the first 3 topics are very, very much important when we are talking about statistics. First one is statistical description of data. Second one is measures of central tendency. And then third one is measures of dispersion. So all these 3 combinedly carry about 18 to 20 marks. These 3 topics carry 18 to 20 marks. So that is why this is very, very much important. Now, 16th one. 16 says there are 2 variables and the relationship between 2 variables is given by an equation, that is y equal to 2x minus 3. So this is a given equation. Now, median of x is also given. Median of x is 20. Then we have to find out the median of y. Y का median हमें calculate करना है. तो y का कैसे करेंगे? Substitute the value of x and you will get the result. Substitute the value of x and you will get the result. So y equal to 2 into 20 minus 3. So 40 minus 3 is 37. That is option number C. So for 16, the answer is C option 37. Now the 17th one. If the relationship between the 2 variables u and v are given. So what is the relationship? It is 2u plus v plus 7 equal to 0. And if arithmetic mean of u is 10. This is arithmetic mean of u is 10. Then you have to find out arithmetic mean of v. That means simply substitute the value of u in the equation and get the result. So let's substitute. So 2 into 10 plus v plus 7 equal to 0. So this will give us v is equal to negative 27. So negative 27 will be the correct answer. That is option number C. Okay. So C option is the correct answer. Now 18.1. If x and y are related by this equation, now this time you guys have to answer. X minus y minus 10 is equal to 0 and mode of x is 23. X का mode given है 23, then what will be the mode of y? So y का mode हमें calculate करना है, find out करना है. So how we will calculate the mode of y? So simply substitute the value of x. तो x का value कैसे put करेंगे? So 23 minus y minus 10 equal to 0. So y will give us 13. Value of y will be equal to 13. So Aryan has given the answer. Then Priyanka Mane has given the answer. Manish has given, and Gaurav Beswal. Great. So Priyanka says, thank you so much, sir, for the great explanation. My pleasure, Priyanka. So 19th one. Geometric mean of x is 10. Geometric mean of y is 15. And you have to find out the geometric mean of xy. So this property we have done. while doing geometric mean. So simply what we have to do, 10 multiplied by 15. Don't use square root here, only 10 multiplied by 15. So your result will be 115. So clearly option number A is correct. Option number A is correct. So Sushyant has given the answer, then Tisha, Manish, Mr. Wadekar, Samina, Aditi Salvi, Surya Kumari, Aryan. Great. So everybody has given the correct answer. Now the last one. So let's do this last question for today, and then we will be winding up the today's session. And next session will be about measures of dispersion. So that is on, I think, 28th. Okay. So let's do this last question, and then in case of any more doubts, you can ask now, or you can even ask in your next session, or you can ask on the application students clinic. So we are available everywhere. So 20th, if arithmetic mean and geometric mean of 10 observations are both 15. So the question is talking about AM is equal to GM is equal to 15, and we have to find out harmonic mean. So what will be the harmonic mean? So we know that there is one formula, geometric mean equal to root of AM into HM. If GM is 15, AM is 15, then of course on solving this, HM will also be 15. So if two are equal, the third one will also be equal. So option number C. C is the correct answer. Okay. So set B we have completed, and option number C is correct. Option set A was having mainly theoretical questions. Set B is having all such practical questions. So we have covered all such varieties. And Miss Punjabi Asif says your explanation is amazing, wonderful. Thank you, dear. So I think we have covered this chapter in every detail with a lot of details. Every formula we have discussed, how to solve all kind of tricks also we have discussed. But then also in case of any further doubts, you can reach to us and we are happy to help you. All right. So I think you are having now 3 or 4 days with you before the next session. So in those 3 days, you can again thoroughly go through the complete chapter. You can try each and every example, each and every question, then additional question also. And after that, in case of and you are having doubts, you can ask all those doubts. Okay. So everybody is saying thank you, sir. Suchang says thank you. Okay. So let's meet in the next session. Till then, bye everyone. Take care and see you soon.